Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to teach you guys how to remove identity theft from your credit reports in 5 days. And I also want to teach you guys how to prevent this too, how to make sure you know exactly what's going on and you handle this right away. So I actually had someone contact me and they wanted me to help them with an account that they had because they was trying to buy a house and it couldn't get a house. They couldn't get approved for a house because they had identity theft on their credit reports. So I figured I'll make this video because somebody else that's very, very close to me, I don't want to put their business out there, but they literally just told me about this this morning. My information is in California right now and I'm not there. Like, what's going on? I'm trying to get the car. Can't get this car. Can you please help me? So I figure I'll teach you guys how to actually remove these accounts from your credit reports and how to further protect yourself. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know if this was very helpful for you, and also let me know what other videos you would like for me to make for you. And if I can answer any questions, I'm definitely here to answer the questions that you guys may have, so definitely let me know. Now let's get right on into it. When you guys have identity theft on your credit reports, you really need to see like which credit bureau it's reporting to. So if you guys have accounts that's not yours, that's not supposed to be there, you need to figure out where it's reporting. Is it on Equifax? Is it on Experian? Is it on TransUnion? You need to find out where it's reporting to. Now, usually it's going to be an account name. It's going to be an account number there. If you get your credit reports, like you can get your credit reports from a company I want to tell you guys about, you'll be able to see like, wait, this account is not mine. So you should be able to get this information. Now, after you get this information, you need to contact the credit bureaus and ask them to remove it. Now, I am going to show you all the steps, but I kind of want to tell you everything that you have to do because it's not always so easy. It's things that you have to do. So I want to tell you all the steps. And then after this, I'm going to show you the letter you can use. I want to tell you the phone numbers, the addresses, and how to prevent it. Okay. So you need to contact the credit bureaus about these accounts and to see if they can just remove it right there over the phone. Now, if they can remove it right there on the phone, that'd be good. But a lot of times they're going to say, oh no, we need some more proof. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that proof. Now, if you find out that they're going to need that additional proof, do not panic, do not go crazy, because it's something very simple that you guys can go ahead and do. And then all you have to do is submit it to them. Now, I understand that you guys have identity theft, but you guys need to go ahead and further protect yourself to make sure that nothing like this happens anymore, or that if something like what this was to happen, you'll know right away what's going on and you can protect yourself and you can handle it right away and actually get the help too, because they'll help you go ahead and protect yourself with this. And then you also have a special insurance. So I am very excited to be able to partner with Aura. Now, Aura, they actually have a 14-day trial. So I really like it, you guys. They have a 14-day trial so you can just see what they're about. Now, let's go ahead and see everything that they offer. So they offer identity theft protection. They can also give you access to your credit report and your credit scores. So you will have that available. They can actually protect your bank account. So if you guys have bank accounts, you can tie your bank accounts and then they can let you know if there's anything that looks suspicious there. And they usually get back to you very soon. It's faster than all the other companies that's out there that say that they're going to protect your identity, because sometimes you'll find out about these accounts years later. They can let you know right away and then you can just get the alerts. So usually I'll say about 24 to 48 hours, they'll let you know exactly what's going on. Now, remember I told you they have coverage. So if you guys have identity, if you guys had identity theft in the past, you definitely want to get this coverage here. So you guys will have the $1 million coverage. So that's going to be for every adult, and it's going to cover your eligible losses and fees due to identity theft. They got 24 hours expert fraud support. They can be able to let you know exactly what you need to do. They have different plans, so definitely check out their plans, but try their 14-day free trial first, and then you'll be able to see where you want to be based off of, you know, what you see in their features that they offer. They do have a 60-day money back guarantee, so definitely try their annual plans. That way you probably most likely get a discount by doing an annual plan. So go ahead and try it, and again, you have that 14-day free trial. Now, to sign up, all you have to do is just choose a plan. And then once you enroll, you will get notified, such as this, like you have 3 threats in the last 30 days. So they'll let you know like, hey, we found your information on the dark web. They even give you access to a VPN. So when you guys are on the internet, you guys are searching, buying things, putting your social security number in, you guys can be under VPN and be protected. So please check out Aura, and thank you again, Aura, for sponsoring this video. A few of my family members have the Aura, so I personally know about Aura. I actually have my Aura account too, so definitely check out Aura. If you guys have any questions about Aura, please feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have about Aura. So go ahead, use that link below and try their 14-day free trial. This is what you guys should have in place so that after you do all this work right now, you guys can be further protected. And if something else was to come up or something else was to happen, you guys will have even more support and help to help you guys with this different thing. So when you're trying to buy a house, you're trying to buy a car, you're not just surprised. You guys will already know, okay, I got something new. Let me go ahead and fix this. Let me do something about it. So definitely check out Aura. Again, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Now, since you guys know how to protect yourself after this, let's go ahead and fix that damage that you guys already have now. You already have them accounts on your credit reports. Let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go ahead and get that together so that you guys can go forward without having problems. Now, we have rights, you guys, and the CFPB, they were put in place, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, they were put in place to be able to help us, you guys. So definitely go ahead and use them. They have a whole section on identity theft, and they even have information on the bureaus you can contact. So let me go ahead and show you the CFPB. Now, here is the CFPB's website. Wrong one. Here is their website here, you guys. So they're saying, what do you do if you have identity theft? So you guys can place a freeze on your credit reports with all three credit bureaus. Here is their phone numbers. Here is their address, you guys. And this is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. We have other credit bureaus. If you want to send something to the other credit bureaus, you can. But most likely when you're applying for things, it's most likely going to be on all three of your main credit bureaus. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a letter that you can send out to the credit bureaus, and this is the address that you're going to want to send it to. And then when I told you guys to call them to try to see if they can just remove it or phone, this is the phone number that you guys can call. Now get a copy of your credit reports. And once you get a copy of your credit reports, then I want you guys to send out this letter here. Now you want to fill in your name here, your address, social security number, your date of birth. Dear Credit Bureau, if you want to put TransUnion name there, Experian name there, Equifax name there, you definitely can. But this is what you want to fill in. So I pulled a copy of my credit report and notice a fraudulent account. So go ahead and list the account name and then that account number. I put spots here for 3 different accounts. If you guys have more, you can list them here and just let the letter go on like on additional pages. I didn't want it to be in more than one page. I wanted everything on one page. It just seems like sometimes when you put too many accounts on there, it's harder for them to go ahead and just act on it and delete it. But if you need to, let it go to the second page. Go ahead and list the accounts that you have that you need to get removed. So go ahead and list your account with the account name and your account number. I have been a victim of identity theft and the following accounts are fraudulent. So you already put those accounts here. And then to protect myself further from harm, I have filed a police report and identity theft report. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that. And it's going to be an FTC report. And this is a report that when you call the credit bureaus, they're going to most likely tell you they're going to need that. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right online. You don't have to worry about, leaving your house. You can do it right online. These fraudulent accounts were not authorized by me. I have also provided you copies of my social, your current address, it's supposed to say address there, and your license. Thank you. So here it is right here. My ID, social security card, and proof of address is attached along with the police report and identity theft. So you guys want to send this letter right here to the credit bureaus. And again, their address is here. You want to send it to the fraud department. So if you can see where they have the fraud division, fraud victim assistance, you want to send it directly to them so that they can handle your dispute. Okay. And it's best to call them to let them know, hey, I'm going to send it in, so that when you send in your documents, it all can happen faster. When you send your documents in, please go ahead and send them out certified. And this is going to make sure that they actually got your documents and they can't say, oh, we never got them or anything like that. Now, if you guys have the identity theft and you want to do it online, you can report it right on the FTC. So you guys go ahead and follow these steps. You tell them what happened, y'all come up with a recovery plan, and then you're going to put the plan into action. They're going to give you something that you can send in to the credit bureaus so that you can go ahead and remove this account from your credit reports. So go ahead, follow those steps. I do suggest that you, like I said, call the credit bureaus, let them know, hey, I have identity theft. If they can't remove it that way, then go ahead, get your letter together, go ahead and do the FTC report, and then you file that, include a copy of your ID and your social security card. And once you do this, they supposed to remove the account from your credit reports because it's based off of laws. Not an attorney. Look up the laws, you guys, on identity theft. But once they find out that this account is fraudulent, they're supposed to remove it. Now, you also can send this letter in to the company that reported this account, who's saying that it is your account. You can send it in to them, because if they find out that the account is fraudulent, they're supposed to investigate it and remove it from the credit bureaus also. So go ahead, contact them, let them know that it's fraudulent, and you already gonna have your FTC report, and you have that letter. Send that letter into them also, and they're supposed to remove it from your credit reports. If for some reason you send all of this in and they're not deleting it and it's fraudulent account, so it's really hurting you, I do suggest that you guys reach out to an attorney and see if they can help you. But go ahead, follow these steps. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and make sure that you guys go ahead and sign up for Aura and get your 14-day trial, and go ahead and continue with their services, and even get the annual plan so you can get a discount. Get the annual plan so that you guys will be protected even in the future, so you guys don't have to worry about keep going through this. I know people that keep going through identity theft, because sometimes when your information is stolen, you're gonna most likely keep going through this. And when you're on the phone with the credit bureaus, you can ask them to put a freeze on your credit reports too. And if you guys have the Aura app, you're able to freeze your Experian credit report right there through the app. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.